Hello. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale Topstone Carbon Ultegra RX 2020 model year. An unprecedented gravel bike with true suspension. The most capable off-road, the most comfortable on-road. This bike equipped with an all-new frame, and reliable fork all new. And Shimano Ultegra RX high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as Shimano Ultegra Hydro Disc. Cannondale Topstone Carbon Ultegra RX2 equipped with good tires WTB Riddler TCS Light. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.